What's up, everybody? It's Brother Christopher again. I'm in Las Vegas, and I just wanted to make this real quick. I had a dream last night, right before I woke up, of a great earthquake that hit. I don't know if it was just Las Vegas, but it seemed like a worldwide earthquake. So, just want to warn anybody on the West Coast, especially, that there could be a possible big, giant earthquake. Possibly worldwide, like the Bible said. But God bless each and every one of you. Remember, you're the heads, not the tails. If God can use me, He can use you too. Amen.